कार्यावळीक मुखेल सोयरो म्हूण मडगांवचो आमदार दिगंबर कामत आशिल्लो.
I am happy that in spite of all this, Goan swimmers could get something like 18 medals. This is something remarkable achievement. आता अन्ना सांगला त्या भाषेत the credit goes to swimmers and their parents. I give first credit to the swimmers and their parents. म्हाका खबर आहा कितली डिफिकल्टी आसता. आज पेरेंट्साच्या मुखार कितल्यो सोशल प्रॉब्लेम आसतात. इतले सगळे प्रॉब्लेम आसतना आपल्या भुरग्याक स्विमिंगाक पुलार भरप, तांकां थंय वॉच दवरप, हें करप, इट इज नॉट ए जोक. आनी म्हणून आमी तरी वी मे बी ऑर्गनायझर्स, बट अल्टिमेटली विदाउट स्विमर्स एंड विदाउट देयर पेरेंट्स वी कांट विन द मेडल्स.
एसएजी भुरग्यां खातीर करता त्या एक्टिविटींचेर खेळा संचालक प्रभू देसाय उलयलो.
Swimming team has come with 5 gold, 7 silver and 6 bronze medals. So very big medal honor, I would say, and the credit must go to the swimming association as much as it must go to the athletes themselves, the swimmers and divers themselves. And I would like to take some credit to the Sports Authority of Goa. But I must say that the parents, the students, the association and the Sports Authority of Goa have gelled very, very well. And once there is this kind of gelling, and the coaches of course, the teachers and the coaches, so once there is so much of gelling, so well everyone would gel that such kind of performance would come.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्यामसुंदर फट्टे.